In today's video, I am going to teach you how to keep track of clients on Excel or Google Sheets for very small business owners. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, you are in the right place to either build a tracker from scratch or, even faster, use a ready-made template. Next, open the template source page and click the highlighted area that points you to the tracker templates. Then click the option for Google Sheets. This is important because it ensures the file opens as a live spreadsheet that you can edit, instead of a format that is harder to maintain. When the Google Sheets version opens, click Make a Copy. This saves your own editable version to your Google Drive, so you are not working on a public file or a read-only preview. Give it a clear name that you will recognize later, such as a client tracker for the current year or month. Now that your copy is open, click into the highlighted cells in the sheet. These highlighted fields are meant for your customization. Type directly into the highlighted areas to enter your own client details and any categories you plan to track. As you move through the sheet, keep your entries consistent. For example, if you use a certain format for dates or service names, use that same format on every row so the tracker stays clean and easy to scan. Continue clicking through the highlighted input areas and typing where prompted. These sections typically capture the key information you need to stay organized, like client names, services, notes, or next actions. As you fill this in, try to keep each cell focused on one type of information. This makes searching and filtering easier later. After that, locate the section labeled Task Status and click into it. Click the Task Status area again as shown, then type into the highlighted field to set or update a status. Use clear, simple wording that you can repeat across tasks, since this helps you quickly see what is pending and what is complete. Next, click the additional highlighted areas that follow to continue updating the tracker fields. Then go to the area labeled Total Tasks, click into it and type into the highlighted area as instructed. After that, click Total Client and click into the highlighted area shown to complete that part of the sheet setup. Once these sections are filled out, your spreadsheet is ready to use as an ongoing client tracker. That covers everything you need to know.